Mativa.
Martin va hier. Habe ich gemacht.
Habe ich gemacht.
Clever, excellent. Right, today we're going to have a wee shot at numbers, and we're going to focus mainly on 1 to 10 because that's, as I keep saying, that's the ones that you have to learn kind of so that then unlock the rest of the numbers for you. Once you've kind of mastered 1 to 10, basically the rest, up into the teens and then further on just become a pattern then. So as long as you remember the first 10, we're good to go. Okay, so let's have a look at the numbers. So the first number we're going to start off with is 1, which is un.
Un.
And then we have ga.
Ja.
And then the 3 is tri.
Tri.
Un,
ja, tri. Un, ja, tri. Un,
ga, tri.
Okay.
Right. Un, ga, tri.
Un, ja, tri.
Clever. 4 is ceher.
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 Coig.
Coig.
So ceher, coig.
Coig. Ceher, coig. Ceher, coig. Un, ja, tri, coiha, coig.
Clever.
Un, ja, tri, coha, coig.
Ceher, coig.
Ceher, coig.
Excellent. Okay. Well, we'll maybe count up to 5, then we'll count down the way. Actually, will we? To try, because I know that ceher and coig is a bit tricky. So we'll go with. So we'll go un, ga, tri, ceher, coig, coig, ceher,
tri, ja,
un.
I keep wanting to say in French. So yeah, I can see the link there though, and trois, 3, you can see the link, can't you, between the different ones?
Yep. I mean, ceher is spelled Ceithir, so it is quite similar to Catra.
Cat, yeah, ceher, cat, yeah.
Yep. So the C and the T's there. So yeah. Okay, so that's the first one to 5. We'll do it again just and then we'll get ready to start on to 6. So
un, ja, tria, coia, tri, coia, ceia, coia.
Clear. Okay, so after that we have Shia.
Shia, that's good. That's a 6. Shia, that's Shia.
Shach.
Shach, like a shark. 7 sharks, right? Shach.
Och.
Och, well, that's okay. Like 8, yeah, we och, yeah.
So, Chia.
Chia.
Shach.
Shach.
Och.
Och.
Nui.
Nui. Okay.
Jich.
Jich. Okay, so
we'll go back to that one again.
Yeah.
So, Shia.
Yeah.
Shach.
Yeah.
Och.
Och. Nui.
Jich.
Jich.
Shia. Och.
Shia. Shach. Och.
Nui. Jich.
Nui. Jich.
Clear. Right. Well, we'll maybe go from the beginning again and count our way up.
Right.
Okay, right. So we have
un, ja, tri,
ceher,
coia,
coig, shia,
shach, och, nui, and ya. Oh no, J. Okay. J.
Okay, so we'll count down the way. J.
Okay. J. Nui. Och. Shach.
Shia.
Coig. Ceia. Tri. Ya. And
Right. Okay. Well, we maybe try a little game about trying maybe do a number tower, so we can maybe try and count. We'll take it.
Sounds good.
Turns to count up to 10. To J.
Okay.
Right. So, do you want to start?
So I'll put my hand out like we're making a tower with our hands. Yeah. Okay. So I'll start. Un.
Yeah.
Tri.
Ceher.
Coia.
Shia.
Shach.
Och,
Nui.
Jake.
Yay! That was good.
Spot on. So we'll go down the way this time.
Okay.
So, Jake.
Nui.
Do you want to do Jake?
I'll start at 10, yeah. So Jaya.
That's right, Jake. Nui.
Och.
Shach.
Shia.
Coig.
Kea.
Tree.
Ya.
Ed.
Yay!
Brilliant. Scaniel, as they say. That was really good. Top marks. Okay. So another one we could do is we can you can practice that one quite a bit. You can make it a bit faster. You can go slow to begin with, but then you'll try and get faster all the time. And the idea is that you kind of just start to remember the words or the numbers just, straight after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in English, in Unga, Trika, Coig, and so on in Gaelic. So you just really try to remember, your brain really has to try and focus hard to try and remember the pronunciation and remember the numbers quickly, when you're under pressure, So another good one to play is word tennis.
Okay.
So you could do that as well. We just kind of take a turn each, don't we, and just do it. So we can do that, and we can vary the pace on that as well. Do you want to maybe go? We can vary the pace, but we can also kind of vary the level. So we could kind of go loud and quiet.
Okay, yeah, so like start quiet and go loud.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. So let's try that one. So
we're going to go quiet and slow to start. Is that right? And getting louder and quicker. Is that what you were thinking?
Yeah. Or I was just thinking I was going to focus on just the quiet and loud.
Okay. Quiet and loud. Okay, fine. So une.
Ja.
Tree.
Keer.
Koya.
Shia.
Sha.
Och.
Nui.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay, we'll try that. Go down the way this time, and we'll just stick to the same, but we'll go loud at the top,
okay.
Loud at the start, and then we'll get quiet as we go down the numbers. Okay. So J.
Nui.
Och.
Sha.
Shia.
Koya.
Keher.
Tree.
Ja. Hey. Margarita, excellent. Okay. So yeah, all these kind of games, as I say, you can just have a play about with them. You can change the level of your voice, the kind of pitch of your voice, how quiet and loud you go, the pace of your voice as well, how fast and slow you can go as well. We'll maybe do another activity later on where we do that. And it's just a lot of the kind of mental math games you can do as well in English. You can try them in Gaelic as well to see how the children get on with that. Now, what we're going to do now was the numbers behind the back. That's what we're going to do, yeah. So we're going to try and play the kind of guessing game where somebody puts their numbers behind their back, their fingers behind their back even, and the other person has to try and guess what that number is. Okay, so Thea, if you think of a number and count that on your fingers and put them behind your back, and I'll try and guess what it is.
Okay.
Right. Keher. Shach.
No. What's no in Gaelic?
Caniel.
Kenyel.
Okay. Tree.
Yay!
There you are. Tree. Brilliant. Tree. Okay. We'll try that one again.
Yeah, I may be confident enough to do it. So yeah, I'll try. So you choose one.
Got one. There we are.
Okay. Sha.
Caniel.
Nui.
Caniel.
Ya.
Clear.
Yay!
Hey, excellent. So yeah, another good one as well is to tend to have bunny ears.
Oh yeah.
Top of your head. And
that's fun.
you can get 10 fingers to choose from, so you can. In fact, we could even call it stags, couldn't we, or something?
Yeah, stags. Yeah.
So we could, we could talk about the how many fingers we're holding up above our heads. So.
So if you give me a number, I'll show you the fingers. Yeah, so I'll do that.
Yeah.
You say a number.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll also give you another phrase as well, which is show me. So show me in Gaelic is shall go, Shall go. Okay, so to just show me. So shall go coig. Clear. Shall go tree.
Can you see that? Sorry, there you go.
Yeah, on. Shall go jech. Clear. Shall go un. Hey, excellent. Do you want to try it with me?
Yeah.
Go for it.
So, Shalgol, was it?
Shall go.
Shalgrol. Shalgrol, yeah. Shalgrol, K. Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Nui.
I'll have to think about this one. There we are.
Shalgrol, tree.
Okay.
So I guess in the classroom as well, what I guess you can do is show the children can show you the different ways of making that number, can't they? You know, so 3 is made up of 2 and 1, you know, like what you were saying, linking it to numeracy and mental maths, you know. Yeah.
That's right. And, you know, and even things like, you know, you have to use both hands, apart from one, you have to use both hands to show the numbers. So, you know, what they have to do is then break it down, as you say, break down the numbers into 2 numbers, you know, so there's a bit of, say, numeracy, mental maths coming into that.
That's
so,
good. Yeah, I like that.
That's it. Excellent.
Excuse me.
So yeah, I think we could call it Cluas and Cunyon up, which is rabbit ears, or we could call it sort of Caberfay, which is the antlers as well.
Caberfay, let's go with Caberfay.
We could call it. Right. Okay. I think the other thing as well was looking at thinking about the other one. So we did our shall go, which is show me, you know. So I'm trying to think. Another one we could use is the question, you know, what number is this? You know, so and that one is J and Arif a Hashaw. Okay, so J and Arif a Hashaw. What number is this? So you know, you could play that game again, and you know, for example, I could do it. So say if I did that for you and I said J and Arif a Hashaw, what number is this?
I always forget 4. K.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Clear. J and Arif a Hashaw. Clear. J and Arif a Hashaw.
Une. My lovely French accent there.
So that's it. So we have our shall go when you're asking someone to show you to show you a particular number, but also, you know, if you want to challenge them to ask them what number you're using, you can say Arif a Hashaw. What number is this?
Oh, that's good. It's always good to have the game that you can do 2 different ways. Yeah.
Yeah. Excellent. Right. So we suppose once we've mastered the 1 to 10, we could go into the teens and move up to 20.
Okay. I'm not sure if we've mastered it, but let's give it a go.
And so all we do is we have our number, so un, ga, tri, and we just add on the word Giig onto the end of it. So un becomes un giig, which is 11.
Yeah.
Ga becomes ga giig, 12.
Yeah.
Tri becomes tri giig.
Well, it's easy.
Her giig, I know, all the way up to nu giig.
Oh, really? Oh, that's great. I love it.
So will we try a little game with that, maybe going fast and slow?
Yeah. Okay.
So we'll go slow in the first one.
Okay.
And we do it so it's kind of like taking a turn each.
Like words like this. So yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I'm trying to think. If you start, that means I have to say the 20, which is what we want. Okay. So if you start off with un giig.
Un giig.
Ga giig.
Tri giig.
Ceher giig.
Coichag giig.
Shia giig.
Shach giig.
Och giig.
Nui giig.
And then 20 is fichet.
Fichet.
Yeah, fichet.
Goodness, where does that come from?
Oh, I'm not sure. I've thought about it many a time, but it's quite a
unusual
on its own, you know. So yeah, so fichet. Okay, so let's do. We go down a bit faster this time. Okay, so if you start off with fichet, Thea.
Fichet.
Nu giig.
Och giig.
Shach giig.
Chia giig.
Coig giig.
Keijig.
3 jig.
Yajig. Jig.
1 jig.
Good.
Ah, very good.
That was fast.
Very good, yeah. We'll try it a bit faster.
Okay.
Okay,
Going up the way.
put up the way this time, eh? So, okay, you start again.
So that would be.
I'm going to start from 1. Will we go from 1 this time?
Oh my goodness. Right. Okay. Un.
Yeah.
Tree.
Here.
She. I forgot what we're on. Kuyig.
Yep. Shia.
Sha.
Oh.
Nui.
Jig.
Unjig.
Ja jig.
Triyig.
Keher jig.
Kuyig.
Shia jig.
Shajig.
Och jig.
Nuijig.
Figet.
Very good. Well done.
Yep, no, excellent. Spot on. Okay. So we'll look at the 10s and then maybe that'll be enough, I think.
Yeah, I think so. Let's look at the 10s and then maybe a quick game with the 10s or something.
So yeah, the numbers, as I say, 1 to 10 are the ones to learn, and once you've learned them, the rest are fairly straightforward. The only thing that is slightly different, as we've just learned, is the 10s. So fiket, for example, is quite a bit different to anything. It doesn't really tie in with ga, with 2 or anything, or even jake. So it's kind of a bit on its own. So fiket is 20. Triet is 30. So we do have the 3 coming in. Carrot is 40. Carrot. I always say that the carrot is like a very posh carrot.
Yeah, I was going to say, I think of the word carrot there too. Yeah, carrot.
So
yeah.
It's a very posh carrot. And then 50 is cook it.
Cook it, like cook it. Let's cook the carrot, cook it.
With a carrot, you
cook it in a posh voice.
You cook it. 60 is shesket.
Now we're going to chase it around the kitchen.
Shesket. So let's go back. So we've got fiket.
Fiket.
Triet.
Triet.
Carrot.
Carrot.
Cook it.
Cook it.
Fiket, triet, carrot, cook it.
Fiket, triet, carrot, cook it.
I'm
on a cooking theme here. We're going to have a feast, 20 people to a feast fiat, and triet is going to be up a tree, our feast, and we're going to eat carrots, carrot, and then we're going to do some cooking, kick it.
That's it, totally. And then after we've eaten...
What, 60? No, where are we? 50? Oh, I can't remember.
Yeah, 50 cook it, so...
Oh, yeah, so 60.
Shesket.
Oh, shesket, that was it. Now we've got to chase each other down the tree, right?
Yeah, okay, so shesket, and then 70 is shachket.
Shachket, right? We're going to find the shark, yeah. Well,
shark, then shachket is quite easy for 70.
Yeah.
And then ochket.
Ochket, that's okay, yeah.
So I've got shesket, shachket, ochket.
Shestet, shachtet, ochtet.
And then nuichet.
Nuichet.
And then kiet for 100.
Kiet.
Okay. Kiet. Well, maybe go from 60 again. So we've got shesket,
shachket, ochtet,
nuichet,
yeah.
Kiet.
Shestet, shachtet, ochtet, nuichet.
And then kiet.
Kiet.
Right. Can you remember what 10 was? What was the number for 10?
Jig.
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 That's it, spot on. Yeah. Okay. So we can what can we play? We could play Guess My Number, or do you want to we'll do a bit of word tennis maybe again with that, will we?
Let's try Guess Your Number. Might be able to do that.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, I'm feeling good.
Okay. So you think of a number and I'll try and guess what it is.
Okay. Got it.
So we're on a 10. We're on one of the 10s, aren't we?
Yeah. 10, 20, 30, yeah.
Okay. So cook it.
No.
Och it.
No.
Fiek it.
No.
Nuich it.
No.
Triet.
No.
Carrot.
No.
Shesket.
No.
Jake.
No.
Shafket.
Yes.
I don't think there's left after that, was I think that was. This is where we're not playing 3 guesses, you know. Right. Okay.
Choose another one.
Yeah, choose another one. Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Right. Naked.
Nope.
Cook it.
Nope.
Tree it.
Yay! Very good.
Brilliant. So yeah, so that was the numbers from 1 to 20, and then we looked at the tens from then up. In another session, what we can look at is the ones in between, so the kind of what in the 20s, the 30s, and so on.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
We'll maybe leave that for another time.
Okay.
Okay, so Thea Tapalat
Taplat.
and Martianlat.
Martialat.
Clever.